have an unboxing video for Olympus digital recorder. As you can see, it's a 2 gigabyte record MP3 in wave. It's recording for 800 hours and 43 hours. Okay, and the model is VN 8600. So try to unbox this one. It's complete with the Windows and Mac. So I try to unbox this one. I'm gonna use a tiny screwdriver. So let's begin over here. Okay, it's actually removed like this. Yeah, it's working like this, and I'm gonna try to remove the other one here. Whoa, I scratched so much. I'm gonna pull this one up and remove it. Yeah, finally I did it. Okay, let's try to open this one and see what's inside. It's so heavy, this box. It's not so heavy, just only heavy. Okay, let's see. There's a box, nothing inside. And let's see what we got. There's stuff. They came with the box. And let's see what's inside. There's the 2 battery, 2 GB battery, and there is the digital recorder by himself. It's actually nice. I'm gonna test drive this one. And behind this one you got a bucket. I guess you call this one a bucket, or can keep your own stuff here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can keep your own stuff inside here. You can grab this one with you anywhere. It's have a nice Olympus trademark, and they give you a USB. It's so short USB, the shortest USB I'm ever see in my whole life. Gonna open this one. Yeah, it's a short USB to mini USB, and let's see what they give you else. It's an instruction manual how to use the Olympus and how you can adjust the Olympus. So I'm gonna try to record myself with a few seconds. I came back for a few seconds. Okay, finally I installed the battery. I'm gonna remove this one because I didn't need those stuff on my digital recorder. So I'm gonna now power this one up over here, and let's see. Oh, they give you Olympus Lego, and they want you to set a time and the date. Just hold on, I want to grab my cell phone, see what the time and the date. Okay. Accidentally I set up the recorder, so I'm trying to record on this one and try to see how much good quality you have on this one. Just let me see. The minimum no file, they told me no file inside, and I'm gonna, this is the volume. Okay, and this is a high quality, I guess. Folder indexed. Okay, we're gonna see. No file. Actually, I'm gonna record now. Press this one. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. There's my voice. I record my voice now, and I want you to hear my voice through this machine too. And thank you. Okay, we're gonna try now. 1 2 3 test. 1 2 3 test. There's my voice. I record my voice now, and I want you to hear my voice through this machine too. And thank you. And there you have it now. It's end now, and there you have it. But actually, there's a good stuff. When you browse the record, you get a red light show you it's now recording, and you have a second, and you have some symbol to know. And I recording and MP3 quality now, and you can erase the file and scenes and some stuff you need to know of this one. And you have a USB connector to your PC or Mac. I'm using Mac. And there's upside you have the top in this Olympus. You have ear connector here and mic connector. You can connect your mic and without using the microphone as a small one here. You can use this microphone. It's good with some people want to edit a video and doing some session or try to record everyone here or anything, or you want to pick up something and make it the voice station for this one. And I'm gonna try now to stop the record now. So I have the record stop now, and I'm gonna play again. You get a red light show you it's now recording, and you have a second, and you have some symbol to know. And I'm recording, and whoa, you can hear the MP3 quality now, and you can erase the file and scenes and some stuff you need to know of this one. And you have a USB connector to your PC or Mac. I'm using Mac. And there's upside you have the top in this Olympus, you have your ear connector here and mic connector. You can connect your mic, and without using the microphone as a small one here, you can use this microphone. It's good with some people want to edit a video and doing some session. Yeah, actually it's possessed now. So thank you for watching the Olympus. I hope you to enjoy this review and the unboxing of the Olympus, and hope you to see you next time with the new stuff. Actually tomorrow I want to go to info connector, the show stage for internet connection and some technology stuff, and I want to pick up my camera and go there and pick up some good stuff. And hope to see you once again. There's the Olympus, and this one is useful, but I need to pick up a Sony. It's a stereo quality they give you. They give you the dual microphone except the one, and there you have it, Olympus. Let me see, it's VN 8600 PC. And thank you so much.